Hi, I'm Steve Prescott with another Financial Friday, and the theme is, should I stay or should I go? So should I stay or should I go? I'm going to date myself with this. It's an old Clash song from 1982. But we're getting a lot of questions for buyers in this market, and they're having a feeling that they don't know if now's the right time to buy. They're concerned that they're going to buy a property and that they're buying on the very high side of the market. And while that could be true throughout parts of this nation, I see Cheyenne has a unique economy and diversification of employment. And this, coupled with the growth that the community is seeing and the shortage of rooftops to sell, it's going to continue to push the market values higher and or remain stable. Another concern people are feeling is that the real estate market is going to hit a bubble and we will have a crash of property values and a high amount of foreclosures. The difference between 2009, which was the Great Recession, and 2021 is that the mortgage companies recently have been very conservative with their approvals and the underwriting processes. So if the market does decrease in values or adjust, any money that would be lost from someone buying on a higher end of the market, the cash that they would lose by selling is just going to be cash out of their pocket because they had to put that into this their purchase. So I don't know if that helps you at all. There really aren't too many concerns I see right now in our market that's localized with Laramie County. If anyone at REMAX can add some value to your questions or your real estate interests, please let us know and reach out to us at REMAX Capital Properties.